In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus MeisterTask features comparison for project management. If you're weighing these two platforms, the clearest way to think about them is this. ClickUp is your digital Swiss Army knife, while MeisterTask is your refined, specialized tool. Both can manage projects successfully, but they're built with different philosophies in mind. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand how each one approaches work, where they shine, and which one fits your team's style. Let's start with ClickUp, the powerhouse. ClickUp is designed to be a single source of truth for your entire company. If you're juggling multiple teams, complex workflows, and a lot of moving parts, its all-in-one approach can replace several apps and keep your work under one roof. One of the biggest strengths here is customization. You can tailor almost everything: custom statuses, fields, views, automations, and how data is visualized. This means you can mirror the exact way your team operates, whether you're running sprints, tracking campaigns, or managing hiring pipelines. The trade-off is that this flexibility can introduce what many people call feature fatigue. With so many options, you'll want to establish a few clear conventions so the system stays clean and approachable for everyone. ClickUp uses a hierarchical structure that moves from space to folder to list to task. It's a powerful way to organize work across departments or large programs. For example, you might have separate spaces for marketing, development, and HR, each with its own folders and lists that reflect how that team executes. This structure scales nicely, helping leaders zoom out for a portfolio view while letting individual contributors focus on only the tasks that matter to them. If you've struggled in the past to connect strategy to daily execution, this hierarchy can be the backbone that makes everything click. Another standout in ClickUp is its AI, deeply integrated across the platform. Think of it as a built-in assistant that works with your real project data. You can generate automatic project summaries that compile progress and blockers, produce stand-up reports without manual copy and paste, and even extract key details from docs to keep tasks aligned with decisions. Used well, this can reduce status meeting prep, speed up reporting, and surface insights you might otherwise miss. As with any automation, it's smart to review outputs and keep a human eye on final decisions, but for many teams, the time savings are immediate. Now, shift your attention to MeisterTask, the specialist. If your team values speed, clarity, and a beautiful interface, MeisterTask stands out. It's widely known for its clean, inviting design that feels far less like work software. The focus here is Kanban done right. If your process flows through stages like to do, doing, and done, you'll find the setup fast and the daily experience smooth. Tasks move across columns with an elegance that keeps everyone on the same page. There's less to configure and fewer distractions, which means your team can get to work immediately without weeks of setup or training. MeisterTask also integrates seamlessly with MindMeister, its mind mapping companion. This is incredibly helpful when you start with a brainstorming session and want to move ideas into action. You can take that map and transform it into a project with a click, preserving structure and momentum. It's a clean handoff from ideation to execution, ideal for teams that meet, sketch, align, and then want to start building without wrestling with heavy configuration. So how do you choose? Choose ClickUp if you're managing complex, cross-functional work and want a single platform to bring everything together. If you need to handle multiple departments within one system, if your workflows extend beyond simple stages, or if you're aiming to replace separate docs and whiteboard tools, ClickUp's breadth becomes an advantage. You'll be able to standardize how teams plan, collaborate, and report, while still granting each group the ability to fine-tune their world. Choose MeisterTask if you want a clean, distraction-free environment and your team thrives in a visual Kanban workflow. If velocity matters and you prefer minimal setup, MeisterTask's streamlined approach lets you move quickly, keep focus, and avoid extra features that can complicate simple processes. It's especially compelling for teams that want to spend nearly all their time in the board view and appreciate design that reduces cognitive load. Here's a practical way to think about fit. If your work routinely requires multiple custom states, rich metadata, layered permissions, and deep reporting, the customization and hierarchy in ClickUp will pay off. If your work is better expressed as a series of clearly defined stages with a heavy emphasis on flow and visibility, MeisterTask will feel natural on day one. If you ideate heavily and rely on mind maps, the tie-in with MindMeister is a meaningful bonus. If you depend on documents, knowledge bases, and automated summaries at scale, ClickUp's integrated AI and Docs ecosystem can replace several disconnected tools. Neither platform is objectively better. They simply optimize for different needs. The best choice reflects the way your team truly works, not how you wish it worked, but how tasks actually move from idea to done. Keep the experience your team will have every single day at the center of the decision. The right tool is the one they'll use consistently because it supports their flow and makes the next action obvious. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.